Received a call from a mobile mechanic. He's a friend of mine. He told me that he's working on a 2016 Hyundai Sonata with a 2.4 engine. He just replaced the knock-in sensor and the car's still doing the same thing. So I came to check it out. As I said in the intro, it's a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. I looked at it a week ago, and car has a P1326. Lady lives in Michigan. She came here to Texas to visit her parents. She's stuck with this situation. Car goes in limp mode, check engine light flashing, and car engine has no power. So first thing we do, we confirm customer concern, and then we deleted the codes. I did some special function, don't remember at that time what I did, but I wanted to make sure that I start my zero. I gave the vehicle to the customer, and car was driving fine. She called me next day. She said same day she was driving and went to the gas station, and it wasn't far, and same thing happened again. So we decided to do another visit. Now today is my other visit, and I want to fill you guys with what I found out this far. The reason why I decided to make this video, because I looked on YouTube. All the videos are talking about changing the engine or changing the knock sensor. Nobody mentioned this fix. Let's start with the scanner, and hopefully I am on that page. Yes, P1326. It was active knock signal range performance. So what I did, I punched the VIN number. As usual, I go by service information. Punch the VIN number. Let's go here. Punch the VIN number, 2016 Hyundai Sonata 2.4. This is the VIN number for it. Punch the code. Pulled up some TSBs, technical service bulletins, and this is probably the most information you'll find in 19-01-006H-3. This is the TSB, technical service bulletin. Basically, what it says that this code could be these are the affected vehicles, certain blah 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 blah. Can pause and read them. And basically what it says, it could be a real knock that the engine is experiencing. There is a test that has to be done, a long test actually has to be done to the engine, and after that there is a kit that the dealer has provided to reroute the knock sensor wire. That's what we are going to do today. The reason why I explained to the customer, I said we either have to do the test, do the wire, or change the engine. Which one you want to go? So the cheapest one is to get the kit. We called a local Hyundai dealer. The wire costs 30 bucks, and let me show you. This is the wire right here. It's a wire with a zip ties with a tape. Basically it comes with I don't know why it comes with 3. It should come with 2. In the picture it says 3, but we'll read as we go. Here we have, this is the pigtail for the knock sensor. It's a brand new knock sensor right there. And what we're going to do, we're going to reroute the wire. The reason why, I think it has to do with one of the injectors. I think I didn't read it. Read it. I mean, I did, but it was a week or 10 days ago. I think it has to do something with one of the injectors. When an injector is activated, it creates that magnetic field, and that is affecting the signal is being sent from the sensor to the computer. So the computer thinks that the engine is knocking when it's not knocking. It has something to do with interference. I am going to put the TSB on this video so you guys read it, but this is what it is. And basically we're going to have a wire kit that we're going to secure here. Based on the instruction, we have to remove the those parts. It was easy removal. What else? Oh, so I disconnected the I disconnected the battery first, and then I disconnected the two harnesses, and I started checking, and it is this one, the one that has all of them small ones, not like this one has 6 big ones here and the rest. So we're gonna put this one back here, and we're going to work on this. Now, to take this out, you see these two legs, you have to push them and pull up. This sits like this, so I use this pick. So I push here one side, push the other side, and bring everything up. Be careful, do not break it. After you do that, there's this piece which sits right here. So I used the same pick, I just dragged it out a little bit, and then I grabbed it with my hand. And after that, I used the same pick, which is, by the way, it's sharper than usual. I used the same pick and I inserted it right, like, these are the two wires, by the way, the red and the black, 63 and 62, I believe. 62 and 63. 62 is the black sensor ground, and 63 is sensor what? Interface. Okay, interface. So I did confirm continuity using a DVOM with these two before I pull them, and I started pulling. And again, what I did, it's this 1, 2, 3. So here you just push to the right and then you pull the wire. And I'm just waiting for the owner of the vehicle to come back from the dealer. She's on her way back with the wire, with the harness. Let me see if I can show you. You see each pin has two holes, one for the pin itself and the other one for the release. So you basically put away here like that right here, and then you push it to the right. I want to share some information. Again, I'm going to put the whole PDF. This is for the 2.4. It's going to be rewritten like this, and this is for the 2.0. You see it? And I believe there's 3 wires, because one is going to be to a ground like this: blue knock sensor shield ground, black knock sensor ground. So there's going to be a shield. We don't have that here. It's only 2 wires, even on. Yeah, you see it's using the ground near the strut right there, the tower strut. I mean the strut tower, my bad. Here it says 63, 62, 61. Let's see 61. What do we have on 61? 61 is the shield. Okay. 61 is the shield around that that black wire. So 61, do we have anything on 61? Yeah, we do. We have another black one right here. Alright, I don't want to take them out. I don't want to mix them. Well, I can always do continuity check which one is which, but we just got the piece from the dealer. This is the part number for it. That's when I called, that's what I gave him: 91400-C21 P1326QQH, and that's what it is, same as in the picture. And there's 2 wires here and 3 wires there, so basically we're gonna, I think the blue one is gonna go in 61, pin number 61, but we'll see. We'll follow the PDF as much as possible. What I did so far, yeah, I just put this one back, that's it. It says a note, make sure on spot A and B the new wire is under the original wire. This is a new wire, so what I did, I plugged it just to make sure that I have enough extension, and I put it under. I'm gonna put it under the cable in all spots. This is so far. I'm gonna use small zip ties. I did a mistake, and the reason why, you see how these are the originals shaped, and the piece that latches to the lock is at the end. See how these in the middle? So again, see this, see that one, and I'm trying to put them, they go in, but they don't lock. So I went back to the PDF, and I think we ordered the one for the 15, not, oh, you know what, 11 to 13. This is 11 to 13 design. 16 to 18, which we have, should be the same number, except here C2010. Here is 2100, 2100, and here is 2010. Okay, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to send the customer back to the dealer. We have the new kit, and this one does come with everything was in the picture, and I think the other one was already open, because I asked the customer, she said yes, she didn't open it. But this is a difference. The other one is 2100, this one's 2010. Somebody might say, why did I put this in the video? Why I didn't just delete it and make it look like that I didn't do a mistake? First of all, I never do this. I always leave my mistakes in the videos. The reason why it is as valuable as the information that I provide you, because with those mistakes, it was I'd rather I do the mistake, not you. So what, how many 100 or 1,000 person is going to watch me doing the mistake? That's saving 100 or 1,000 person not doing the mistake. So I don't care. It's okay for me to do the mistake and show it that I did a mistake. I'm just a human being. Back to the wires, and they are the same as the one we have. So let me do what I undid with the other one. This one is going correctly. I already did the red one. Let me show you guys with the black one. See, you should hear a click. Almost, there you go, clicked. See, it won't come out. The other one I was pulling it would come out. The outcome, these are the old ones, and this is the new one. Again, the blue 61, black 62, red 63. Alright, under on the side, under right here, under right here, under these two spots, and right here. So might put another one here, but that should be good. Alright, I'm back connected to the vehicle. Let me erase the code. That's no fold. Start it. And again, I know I didn't show what was before, but all you guys know, if you're here, you know what was going on. The car would shake, the engine would shake, check engine light would be blinking, and you have a code. Let's do a full scan again. Now code. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to rev the vehicle before. It would like stutter. Let me give it a couple of starts. Of course, we're not gonna know until the customer drive it enough. Again, let's go to the engine only. Trouble codes. Read codes again. Nothing. Alright. I wouldn't call this a fix until we have a confirmation from the owner of the vehicle that at least a week. I would give it a week, drive and make sure everything is okay, the code doesn't pop. I will definitely update the case with either a video or a text. I don't think a video, because they're just a public customer, they're not a mechanic, but definitely I'm gonna contact them to make sure that everything went well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this $30, by the way, it's $30 plus tax. I hope this $30 will solve your problem. You don't have to change your engine. I don't hear any knock in the engine. It doesn't have any symptoms. It's car. It has only 83,000 miles, and owner drove the car all the way from Michigan to Texas. So I don't think this is a good. I don't think this is a bad engine. So hopefully I'm right. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that little notification button to be notified about videos like this. I really appreciate it.
4 to 6 weeks later.
So, customer of mine called me. He just moved to a new place. He has a 2008 Scion TC that doesn't start, and I'm here working on it. And all of a sudden, I see him dealing with another customer of him, and then I saw the face. I recognized it. I said, "Hey, how are you?" It was the owner of the Hyundai Sonata. So she's right there, and I asked her, how has it been doing? She said, fine so far. They have it here for 2 weeks because they brought it here to, what's up man, how you doing? To repair the paint. So everything good, the car is good, and they repainting the side because it had scratches with the back bumper. They making it good to go again after we did the repair. So I just wanted to add this as an update to the case. What a coincidence. I mean, I didn't expect her to see it. And I'm working next to the car. I didn't recognize them. There's many Hyundai Sonatas in the city, but you know, hey, so it was a good chance to get a confirmation from them. Thank you guys for watching.